Okay, ito yung previous example natin. If U1 is 6, U2 is 10, U3 is 7, U4 is 6. Now, given na yung area, E at saka length. Okay, so, given na yung area is 100 millimeter square. That's the area. Our length is what? Our length is 3 meters. Our E is what? 200 GPA. And our theta is of course what? Theta is 30 degrees. Ang hinahanap ngayon yung axial, yung load, yung axial force dito sa member na to. Ito yung formula natin, no? Now remember, nakuha na natin yung delta 1. Yung delta 1, ito yung dati natin 10.196, 5.6602, 7.862, at saka negative 0.382. Okay? So, now if you notice, if you multiply this, okay, yung P1 natin, ito yung P1 natin, di ba? Tapos ito yung P3. All we need is P1 at saka P3 lang. Kasi obviously yung P2 mo at saka P4 mo 0. So ito, pag minultiply doon, meron. Ito pag minultiply doon, wala. Ito pag minultiply doon, meron. Ibig sabihin, isusubtract lang pala natin yung dalawa na to to get what? To get our what? Our P1. So yung P1 natin is equal to what? EA over L times 10.196, that is millimeter, minus 7.862. Okay, what is our E? That is 200 kilonewton per millimeter square. Our area is 100 millimeter square. Our length is what? Our length is 3000 millimeter times 10.196 minus 7.862. So your P is what? That is okay. That is 200 times what? Times 100. Okay, times 10.196 minus 7.862 divided by 3000. So you get what? 15.56. This is in kilonewton. Okay, that is because this is kilonewton per millimeter square. Okay. Ngayon, yung isa, baliktad lang yan. Ibig sabihin, ang P1 natin is to the right, there. Yeah, to the right kasi positive to. Now ito, pag minultiply mo to doon, negative 1 at saka 1, pag minultiply mo dito rin, magbabaliktad lang to. Therefore, your P sub 1, your P sub 3 will just be equal to negative 15.56 kilonewton. Ibig sabihin, ganito to. Yan. 15.56. So, 15.56. That is positive, that is negative. So, therefore, it is in compression. Notice na, okay, bali wala na yung P2 mo at saka P4 kasi ito, 0, 0 yung element na yan ng row. So, ibig sabihin, wala kang P2 saka P4, 0, 0 yun. So, our what? Our actual force is 15.56 kilonewton and in compression. Okay, so that's it.